Welcome everyone to this year's safe cracking competition. Here, I have created an event for the ages. I've recreated the top 8 safes from around the world. And your objective is to crack all 8 safes to be the ultimate winner. The person who cracks all 8 safes will win a prize. I will provide you with some puzzles to help you crack the safes, but eventually it comes down to you and your mind to do the heavy lifting. Once each safe is opened, you will receive a clue to open the next safe. For those who are good with numbers, permutations and combinations, this should be a breeze. For those who aren't, it will take a little more ingenuity to complete each task and open each safe. You can work as a team or as an individual to open all the safes and figure out the clues. Just sign up for your opportunity to shine and show your cleverness. In this year's safe cracking competition, you'll have the chance to compete against other participants from around the school and put your problem-solving skills to the test. Best of luck to all of you!